Welcome to the BulkApparel channel. Today we are making a butterfly stencil using the Cricut machine, cardstock paper, fabric spray paint, and a BulkApparel hoodie. Just to be upfront, this was my first attempt with this DIY, so the final product is a little rough. So let's get into it. I started off by using Canva to find a template for the butterfly. I searched under elements and decided to go with this one. I like that it has a Y2K kind of vibe. After that, click download and make sure to check the box transparent background. Now open up Cricut Design Space and upload your new file. Select complex for image type. Notice how you can see the gray and white squares within the wings. If you properly downloaded the original file with a transparent background, the image should look like this. Next, click Apply and Continue. You will be redirected back to the upload page where all your uploads are saved. Select the image and add to canvas. The butterfly will appear in the design space and you will need to adjust the size. I made mine about 10 inches since I will be placing it on the center of a zip-up hoodie in the size medium. You can always adjust to your preference. Next, click Make It. You will be directed to the Prepare It page. Adjust the placement of the butterfly so it's not too close to the edges. Click Continue. Since we are working with cardstock this time, make sure the base material is on the proper setting. I've made the mistake of not switching the settings and wasting the material since it did not cut properly. Next, upload the mat using the arrow button and start by clicking the Cricut button once it flashes. I think the cut took about 5 minutes. When it's done, unload the mat. The next step is super important. I messed up the first time by not taking my time. Here's what not to do. I tried just pulling the cardstock off the mat and ended up tearing the lines in between the wings. What you should do is individually remove the pieces with a weeding tool. It takes more time, but the result is much better. Also, it's so satisfying to do. This is what it looks like after carefully removing the cardstock from the mat. Grab some scissors and cut the butterfly down the middle. Place the two wings in the center of the hoodie on opposite sides of the zipper. I taped the edges down so the wings wouldn't fly away. I also used the original cutout to help prevent the spray from getting everywhere. Okay, so this is where the final product didn't come out as great as I anticipated. After removing the stencil, the lines in between the wings seem to have bled through. The next time I try this, I'm going to use a template with thicker lines. I tried to save the project by using black fabric markers to draw out the line details. I used the Cardstock stencil as a guide. It's an improvement, but still not perfect. Let me know what you think about this DIY and make sure to tag us if you try it out. BulkApparel.com